Hello students, let's do some more one mark questions on differentiation. If x की पावर p into y की पावर q equals to x plus y की पावर p plus q, find dy by dx. First what we will do, we will simplify our function. Taking log both sides. We have log x की पावर p y की पावर q equals to x plus y की पावर p plus q. What is log ab? Log ab is log a plus log b. We can write log x की पावर p plus log y की पावर q equals to, what is log a की पावर b is b log a. X plus y की पावर we will write log here, p plus q log x plus y. Now log x की पावर p can be written as p log x with the same formula plus q log y equals to p plus q log x plus y. Now differentiate with respect to x. P and q are our constants. P into d upon dx of log x plus q into d upon dx of log y equals to p plus q into d upon dx of log x plus y. Now बच्चे pause the video and note it down. I am wrapping it from here. What is derivative of log x? P into 1 by x plus q into derivative of log y is 1 upon y into dy by dx equals to p plus q into derivative of log x plus y is 1 upon x plus y into derivative of x plus y. We have p upon x plus q upon y dy by dx equals to p plus q upon x plus y into derivative of x is 1 in plus derivative of y is dy by dx. Now p upon x plus q upon y into dy by dx equals to, multiplied with 1, p plus q upon x plus y plus p plus q upon x plus y into dy by dx. Now the term of dy by dx on the left hand side, dy by dx, we will get q upon y minus p plus q upon x plus y. We have taken this term on the left hand side and taking the term of x on the right hand side, p plus q upon x plus y minus p upon x. Now dy by dx, LCM is y and x plus y. You can't take only LCM x plus y. You have to take these two terms separately. Y already we have q into x plus y minus y into p plus q equals to, LCM is x and x plus y. P plus q into x minus p into x plus y. बच्चे pause the video, it's a long question and note it down. Now dy by dx, qx plus qy minus py minus qy upon y and x plus y equals to px plus qx minus px minus py. upon x, x plus y. Px and px get cancelled, and here qy and qy get cancelled. What is dy by dx is qx minus py upon x, x plus y into this term on the right hand side, y, x plus y upon qx minus py. Both these terms get cancelled, x plus y also get cancelled. What is left? Y upon x, and this is our final answer. Such a long question has a small answer. If y equals to cot inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x, find dy by dx. First we will simplify our function. X equals to tan theta. Y equals to cot inverse. In place of 1, we have taken x as tan theta. In place of 1, we are writing tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is 1. Because we don't have any formula with cot 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta. We don't have any formula. In place of 1, we are writing tan pi by 4 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta. With tan theta, with x, if we write multiply by 1, we can write it. We have written tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is 1. 1 into tan theta is tan theta. Now, tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B is the formula for tan A minus B. What do we get? Cot inverse tan pi by 4 minus theta. But we want cot here. Cot theta can be written as tan pi by 2 minus theta. Similarly, tan theta can be written as cot pi by 2 minus theta. We have tan here. We want cot. We can write cot inverse cot pi by 2 minus pi by 4 minus theta. Clear? We have y equals to cot inverse cot pi by 2 minus pi by 4. Pi by 4 plus theta. Clear? Now what is cot inverse cot theta? Theta. Cot inverse cot pi by 4 plus theta is pi by 4 plus theta. Y equals to pi by 4 plus what was theta? Tan inverse x. Our question is simplified. Now we will find the derivative of it. This differentiate with respect to x. D upon dx of y equals to d upon dx of pi by 4 plus tan inverse x. Derivative of y is 1 into dy by dx equals to derivative of pi by 4 is 0 and tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. This is our answer. If y equals to under root 1 plus x upon 1 minus x, find dy by dx. First step is simplify the function, taking log both sides. We have log y equals to log, we can write it as 1 up plus x upon 1 minus x की power 1 by 2. What is log a की power b? b log a. It is better if you write these functions in the bracket in your answer sheet. We can write log y equals to 1 upon 2 log 1 plus x upon 1 minus x. Now log y equals to 1 by 2. Now what is log a upon b? Is log a minus log b. We can write log 1 plus x minus log 1 minus x. Now function is simplified. Now differentiate with respect to x. D upon dx of log y equals to 1 by 2 into d upon dx of log 1 plus x minus 1 by 2 into derivative of log 1 minus x. What is derivative of log y? 1 upon y into derivative of y, that is dy by dx, equals to 1 by 2 into derivative of log 1 plus x is 1 upon 1 plus x into derivative of 1 plus x is 1, derivative of 1 is 0 and x is 1, minus 1 by 2 into derivative of log 1 minus x is 1 upon 1 minus x into derivative of 1 minus x, which will be minus ka 1. Therefore dy by dx equals to y into 1 upon 2 1 plus x minus and minus plus 1 upon 2 1 minus x. dy by dx equals to, what was y? 1 plus x की पावर 1 by 2 upon 1 minus x की पावर 1 by 2, 2 1 plus x 1 minus x as LCM we will 1 minus x plus 1 plus x. बच्चे pause the video and note it down. I am dropping it from here. dy by dx will be equals to 1 plus x की पावर 1 by 2 upon 1 minus x की पावर 1 by 2. Here we have x and x get cancelled. 2 upon 2 into 1 plus x and 1 minus x. 2 and 2 get cancelled. dy by dx equals to 1 plus x की पावर 1 by 2 in the numerator and 1 plus x की पावर 1 in the denominator. What is left? 1 plus x की पावर 1 by 2 in the denominator, 1 minus x की पावर 1 by 2 and 1 minus x की पावर 1, 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2. This is our final answer. Y equals to sec inverse x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. Find dy by dx. First step is simplify the question. Put x equals to cot theta. We have y equals to sec inverse cot theta, cot square theta plus 1 upon cot square theta minus 1. Now, बच्चे, what is cot theta? Cot theta can be written as cos theta upon sin theta. We have y equals to sec inverse cos square theta upon sin square theta plus 1 upon cos square theta upon sin square theta minus 1. What do we get? Y equals to sec inverse sin square theta is LCM, cos square theta plus sin square theta upon cos square theta minus sin square theta upon sin square theta. Sin square theta and sin square theta get cancelled. What is cos square theta plus sin square theta? Equals to 1. And what is cos square theta minus sin square theta? It is the formula for cos 2 theta. Sec inverse 1 upon cos 2 theta. And what is 1 upon cos theta is sec theta. We have y equals to sec inverse sec theta 2 theta. What is y? Sec inverse sec theta is theta. Y equals to 2 theta. What was theta? Cot inverse x. Now our question is simplified. We will differentiate it. Differentiate with respect to x. D upon dx of y equals to 2 into d upon dx of cot inverse x. Derivative of y is 1 into dy by dx equals to 2 into minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Therefore, our answer is minus 2 upon 1 plus x square, which is equals to dy by dx. Y equals to under root x plus under root x plus under root x plus up to infinity. Find dy by dx. First step is simplify our question. Y equals to under root x plus, this whole term is what? This is equals to y. Y is under root of x plus, then again under root, then again under root. It is going up to infinity. We can write it as x plus y, squaring both sides. Y square equals to square of under root is removal of square root, x plus y. Taking the terms of y on the left hand side equals to x. Question is simplified. Now differentiate with respect to x. D upon dx of, we are taking both together, equals to d upon dx of x. What is derivative of y square? 2y. Derivative of y is 1 into dy by dx. We have taken these together instead of separating them. Derivative of x is 1. What is dy by dx? 1 upon 2y minus 1. Y equals to e की power x plus e की power x plus e की power x up to infinity. First step, simplify the question. Y equals to e की power x plus again e की power x, again plus e की power x. What we can write? Up to infinity, this is equals to y. Now, what we will do? Differentiate with respect to x. We have to find dy by dx. D upon dx of y equals to d upon dx of e की power x plus y. What is derivative of e की power x? Derivative of e की power x is e की power x into derivative of x, which is 1. We will get dy by dx equals to e की power x plus y into derivative of x plus y. dy by dx equals to e की power x plus y into derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of y is dy by dx. Now, dy by dx equals to e की power x plus y plus e की power x plus y into dy by dx. What was e की power x plus y? That is equals to y. dy by dx equals to y plus y into dy by dx. Taking this dy by dx on the left hand side, what do we get? dy by dx 1 minus y equals to y. And what is dy by dx? Y upon 1 minus y. This is our answer. A very important question.